Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make passanda without base gravy. Before I start, please take a second to subscribe, like, and tick the notification bell. To make passanda from scratch, you will need 1 tablespoon of raw or toasted almond flakes, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a 1-inch piece of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 3 slightly cracked cardamom pods, half a large onion sliced finely, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mixed powder or curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of tomato puree mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, 2 tablespoons of ground almonds, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 200 grams of thinly sliced meat or veg, tofu or paneer, 1 tablespoon of raisins or sultanas, 250 millilitres of boiling water, 50 grams of coconut block, flour or milk powder, 100 millilitres of single cream, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander for decoration. If you only have raw sliced almonds, start by toasting them in a medium heat pan until they start to go golden. Transfer to a plate to use for decoration at the end. If yours are already toasted, then just skip this step. Heat your oil in a pan on low to medium and add the cassia bark, lightly cracked cardamom pods and onion and fry for about 7 minutes until golden. Don't rush this part. You want nice caramelized onions but not dry burnt ones. Add in the garlic and fry for a further 30 to 60 seconds until the bitter smell disappears. Add the tomato puree, pepper, cumin, coriander, salt, mix and turmeric powder, along with the coconut powder, ground almonds and sugar. Stir well, then add 1/4 of the boiling water to ensure it doesn't stick. Add the fresh meat, coat to stop it drying out and allow the flavour to penetrate. Then add half of the remaining boiling water. Continue to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the remaining water. Add the raisins and broken up coconut block. Stir through, then drizzle the cream onto the top and allow it to warm through before stirring through. Simmer for 4 to 5 minutes until the sauce reaches your desired consistency and the meat is cooked through. You only need to stir if the dish looks like it's about to burn. It's fine to add extra water if it's looking a little thick. I would suggest adding around 50 millilitres at a time. Serve topped with the toasted almonds and sprinkled with the chopped coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.